Today, inshallah, we will take lesson 5, chapter 3, working with sets. Our objectives today, what we need from this lesson is to write sets and identify subsets. Second objective is to find the complement of a set. To find a complement of a set. And in order to do these objectives, we must know first what is the set. What is the definition of a set? The set is a collection of numbers. Okay, collection of numbers. How it is be written? How can we write it? We have two ways to write sets. First way is Rooster Form. Rooster Form is a form where we write traces and list the set, the elements inside the traces. For example, if I said set of even numbers, you will say what? Even numbers, you will say 2, 4, 6, 8, and so on. But between traces like this. Traces. This is the first one, is to list the elements inside what? Inside the traces. Second way is set builder notation. It's kind of describing the elements, how to describe the elements. Here we said even numbers greater than 0. Okay, we can say also multiples of 2. Set of multiples of 2 is 2, 4, 6, 8, and so on. If I assume that we will write the same set, I will write it like this. Bracket x such that x is a multiple of 2 and we close the brackets. X such that x is a multiple of 2. So it's a way like a description method. Okay, we describe the set. Okay, let's take an example. How do you write T, and it's capital letter, as you notice. Set is written as capital letters, the name of a set. The set is written as a capital letter. T is the set of natural numbers less than 6 in Rooster Form and a set builder notation. Okay. in Rooster Form. In Rooster Form, I will write T capital like this, and I will open braces. Then I will list what are the natural numbers less than 6. Yeah, we have 1. The natural number starts from 1, so it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Can we take 6? No, we cannot. Why? Because he said less than only. He didn't say less than or equal to 6. So we cannot take 6. So these are the natural numbers which is less than 6. Okay? 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 in Rooster Form. How to write it in self-builder notation? We will write the same. We will write T is equal to, and we open bracket, and we write a small letter which represents the elements. Okay, so here is T capital, so it's preferable to say T small. We can write X small, we can write Y small, N small, whatever. Just a small letter such that T, and write the description. We can write what? We can write that N, oh sorry, T, we said T, T small is less than 6. Like this. Or we can write T is equal to T such that T is a natural number less than 6. And we of course close the parentheses. Okay, another one, another example. N is the set of even numbers less than 12, less than, let's say, or equal to 12. Okay, let's write it in the Rooster form. It's in capital, equal to, and list the numbers which is even and less than 12. Okay, so we can write 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, and 10. Can we take 12? Yes, we can take 12 this time because he said or equal to. And we close it. So n here in the Rooster 4, 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, and 12. In the set builder notation, we will write it as n small such that n is an even number less than 12. Okay. So we know now what is the set and what is the ways to write it, the Rooster form and the set builder notation. Now we know what is the subset. Okay. When we can say that the set is a subset of another set, we can say that a set is a subset of another set if all the elements in this set exists in the other set. I don't understand. Give me an example. Okay. Let's say set A is 3 and 4. And set B is 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 5. We can say that the elements of A, which is 3 and 4, which exist in the other set, which is B, is a subset of B. How can we write it? We write it like this, with this sign. A is a subset of B. Okay, guys? So we can write it like this or like this. We can make a line here like this. So A is a subset of B. It means that all elements of the set A exist in set B. We can say that all A is inside B. Okay? Can we say that B is a subset of A? Let's back to the definition itself. All the elements of the set B exist in set A? 1 doesn't exist in A, 2 doesn't exist, only 3 and 4 exist in A. So we cannot say that B is a subset of A. So we can say that A is a subset of B, but we cannot say that B is a subset of A. What is the empty set? The empty set is the set of which has no elements at all. For example, if I give to you here 1, 2, 3, and 4. This is set A. And I asked you, what elements here is greater than 5? And I asked you to put the answers inside this set. You will say, none of these numbers is greater than 5. So we will leave it empty like this. So the empty set is the set with no elements at all. Okay? It is called also null set. Also called phi. So we call it empty set. And we call it null set, and we call it phi, and we write it like this also. Of course, it's common with phi. Okay? Let's take another subject. Idea in the subset, if we said that A is 1, 2, and 3, what are all subsets can be obtained from A? Okay, guys, what all subsets can I write it from set A here? We have two subsets are always exists, always considered. Phi is a subset of any set. So phi is a subset of any set. When I say write the subset, write phi first. What else? The set itself, A, is a subset of itself. So I will write 1, 2, and 3 as a subset of itself. So this is, as a rule, when I say write all subset of a set, first of all start with phi and the set itself, the original set. Then we will take each element separate, each element alone. Then each two elements together, and so on. For example, here I have 1, 2, and 3. So I will write 1 as a set, 2 as another set, and 3 as another set. Then each two elements together. So I will say, 1 and 2. Then I'll take 1 again with 3. Then move to the next one. 2. 2 with 3. Okay. If I have another, of course, I will take 2 with it and so on, but this is only what I have. So I have, from this set, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 subsets. The first is 5, the second is the original set, the third is each element, the first element, then the second element, then the third element separated, then each two elements together, 1 and 2, then 1 and 3, then we move to the next, 2 and 3. These are all subsets. Thank you for listening. Next time, inshallah, we continue with complement of a set. Thank you very much. Have a nice day.